Hello friends, welcome to Cloud Analytics. My name is Salman Ansari. Friends, in this tutorial I am going to cover the topic data validation. Before I start, I want to tell you about data validation, what is data validation and when we use data validation and how we use data validation. Basically, I want to tell you friends that data validation is very important in the sense that it helps us avoid mistakes, that can be avoided. Let's assume we have a data look like this and I am recording students exam marks and I know the minimum is 0 and maximum is 100. I can take advantage of validation features to ensure that only values between 0 and 100 are entered, so that friends, we have to fix the area where we have to enter the marks, and after select the area and we have to go data tab and click on data validation. After click data validation, I will get the dialog window look like this. We can see here that validation criteria, and I know that we have to enter the number, that then we have to click on whole number, and I know we have to enter the number range in range, so we can click between, and minimum is 0, and what is maximum is 100. After enter the minimum and 100, and after fulfill validation criteria, click on error tab, and we can write here title according us, and outside I can write here outside range and error message. We can write here according as whatever we want to range. If we want to enter the message, and here I can write the message that please enter the value between 0 and 100. Click OK, and let's try to enter the value between 0 and 100. Suppose we have to enter the marks 55, and we have no issue. And if I enter the number greater than 100, 111, then we can say that we have a error message, please enter the value between 0 and 100. Then we click retry, and enter the value between 0 and 100. 96, we have no issue. After enter the value of 96, and here when again we enter the value higher the 100, 140, again we have a message outside range. Then we have to click on retry and correct the value 50. We have no issue. After enter the 50, so look like this, we can fix the criteria, and we fix restriction, and we can avoid mistakes. Thank you friends.